How to charge your forklift after work. Most of the forklift operator, even after their training, they don't know how to charge their forklift. You reach to your workplace, you just started your shift, you pick a forklift and you start working. During your activity, your forklift stops because it's not charged. Who's to blame? The previous forklift operator or you? The answer is you are the one to blame. Why? It's because as a forklift operator, you need to know that you need to first do your pre-shift inspection to check whether your battery is working before you operate your forklift. But now, why the previous forklift operator couldn't charge your forklift? Today on this video, I'll show you on how to charge your forklift before you go home. How to do that is in 3 steps. Step number 1, ask your manager where is the charging area, where is your charging area of the forklift. So usually they will show you where to charge your forklift. In our company here, this is our charging port. So your company need to show you where to charge your forklift when you start working with them. They will show you in our case, this is our charging port here. Then you know where to charge your forklift. After your work, what you need to do is to drive your forklift at the charging station, and then you grab this hand. So on your charging station, you have something like this, a hand like this, a supply like this. So this part will be your supply because this is the huge battery that the energy is coming from to charge our electrical battery, because this forklift works with a battery. Therefore, after your work, you need to charge to avoid falling in accident. So then you take this supply, you come over here. This is the connecting point with the battery and the engine. You disconnect here, you just press, up, you disconnect. So you see I have disconnected. This part is what is going with the battery. Is this one that I need to connect. Don't fall in my trap, because my first time when I was learning how to drive a forklift, they didn't teach me on how to charge. Then when I managed to go and learn on how to charge a forklift, my first day I made a mistake. I didn't know where to connect the supply. I connected the supply on this part here that is connecting the engine instead of connecting to the battery. So I connected the supply here. Then the following day I came in, my forklift was not charged. So therefore, don't connect your supply over here. So this is what I did. I left the battery. I thought this way I need to connect. I connected here. So this is the wrong way, because this is not a supply. This is not a battery. So I connected over there. When I came the following day, my forklift was not charged. So I needed to reconnect the forklift the right way. That's why I'm showing you on how to charge your forklift. Make sure you locate the hand that is the connecting part that is connected to the battery, because this is the battery that I want to charge. Then the supply is over here. You take the supply with the connecting hand of the battery, you put them together, up, and then you press, so you connect. So as soon as you connect, you leave it over there and then check. As you can see over here in my connecting port, it's showing. Yes. It's showing how to connect. It's showing that the connecting is well done. So my battery is busy charging. So I'll leave it for 24 hours or during the night, or it depends on the next shift. So this is what you need to see. So when it's green is 100%, 80%. So for right now, you can see that my battery is fairly okay because I didn't use much today. So if my battery is at 80%, I need to make sure I charge it to get 100%. 0 to 80, you see that if your battery is not charged, you will be over here at this point, 0 to 80%. So never take a forklift that is showing that you need to charge from 0 to 80%, because that means it's red. Make sure your battery is at least on this range. Then you can take a forklift to go and drive. So tomorrow, when we are coming in here, because you sleep over, I want to make sure my battery is charged at 100%. Therefore, I can go and work comfortably. So when you come in the morning, your battery is charged. What you do is that you come down to the connector, how you connected, you disconnect, then yes, you connect the battery with the engine, you push, you connect. So now it's the new shift. I removed the connection from the supply. I connect the battery with the engine, then I go to work. That's how you charge your battery. So the supply, you put it back. Share and subscribe. Join our mail list. See you another time.